So let me guess, your parents just gave you back to school money and you want to go blow it all on a U Supreme shirt. Well, I'm here to tell you not to do that. Today I'm going to give you guys 8 back to school essentials. And before we get into the video, thank you guys so much. At the time of this recording, we currently have 76 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. And I am trying to hit 100 subs by the beginning of the school year. So if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Alright, so let's start with a good pair of shoes. I recommend a pair of Ultra Boosts. They're insanely comfortable and they're going to get you through those long days. They also come in handy for gym class. Next is going to be a good quality hoodie. These are going to be great for those long days. I recommend getting the Champion hoodie. They're super high quality. They're really in right now and they're just a great hoodie to have in your collection. Third is going to be a denim jacket. The weather is starting to get chillier towards the beginning of the school year, and a fashionable way to stay warm is to put on a denim jacket. Preferably a lighter wash. I personally think these are the best looking type you can get. While we're on the topic of denim, you're going to want a nice pair of jeans. I would recommend black or light wash denim. Also, buying jeans with extra flex is a good idea so you can get that extra comfortability. In the middle of the list, we have basics. I mentioned these in a ton of my videos. You can get a bunch for cheap and are an easy go-to outfit. The best colors are going to be black, white, and gray since they're super versatile. If you want to learn more about basics, I'll link my basics video in the description. Coming in at number 6 is another pair of shoes. A white pair of Vans are a classic shoe, very clean and very versatile. This is another effortless piece to increase your clout at school. A button-down shirt is a great pickup for the new school year to give yourself a more mature look. Good colors for these are going to be light blue, white, gray, and maybe even pink. And finally, coming in at number 8 is deodorant. Like, come on man, how are you supposed to talk to your crush when you still smell like fart from first period gym? Anyways guys, I hope this school year goes well for everyone, and I hope your crush finally notices you. And as always, I hope to see you guys next time.